Hey everyone, today I wanted to talk to you about price sheets, why we use them, and how to use them. First of all, what a price sheet is basically all the products that you sell and how much they cost. One of the reasons why I use that is for this screen right here. When we click this generate recommendation button, it'll actually run our algorithm, and the algorithm is run off of the price sheet that you select, what's in the price sheet, and how much does it cost. So it'll take into account a lot of different things, performance, and all those other factors I just mentioned, and it'll come up with the best solution. For this simple example right here, we just used one weed. A lot of times, obviously, you're going to have 5, 6, 10 different weeds, so the problems are going to get more and more complex, but that is the reason why we have the price sheet in here, is so the program can know not only how much does it cost, but what chemicals you have available to you. The other reason why is when you get done with your recommendation, it'll get saved to this screen right here. And we also use this as a way to not only change what you want to change before you spray the field like I'm doing right now, but it'll also keep track of what you're spending per acre and how much you're spending total. So this is a great tool to use for keeping records, keeping track of what chemistries you're using. And a lot of times, all I'm showing you right there is that we have all the herbicide data, but a lot of times, obviously, everyone doesn't use every single chemical out there. So basically, I'll just show you right now what it'll look like when you don't have something in the program. So if I select Anthem right here, there's just a blank space right there. That's just saying, but we do have data for it, but that's just saying that it's not in your price sheet. So I'll go through here, I'll add it to the price sheet, and then we will go back and show you that what it looks like when you add something in. So to do that, simply all you have to do is press add chemical, type the name, change the cost to whatever you want, change the standard use rate to whatever you want, and now it's in the program. It's kind of customized directly to you and your operation. So now we'll get into how to use this stuff. Basically, this is going to be your main My Price Sheets sheet, and here is all of your different price sheets. We do give you this default price sheet. Some of these prices are from last year, but it will get you pretty close. We wanted to give everyone just something to work off of, getting the program right out of the box. You can copy it right here, make it your own, so you have something to work off of, or you can start from scratch, which I'll show you in a minute here. Basically, to edit these, it's as simple as clicking on them, changing them, pressing save, and now it's updated. So here I'm making a new sheet, and you'll notice that it does say shared right there. Basically, what that is for is sharing to everyone in your own account. So if you're an agronomy manager and you have 3 salesmen underneath you, when you share this sheet, they will have this exact price sheet for them to use. And that comes with a couple advantages. First, you don't have to worry about what prices is everyone using. You don't have to work with paper. The updated price sheet is always in their pocket, waiting for them to use it if they need to. And then adding these is as simple as pressing add chemical, select the chemical, and then putting in the information. And all these chemicals that you're seeing there are chemicals that we have a lot of data for. Anything else would go under products to the right hand side. So a lot of insecticides and fungicides and adjuvants, all that stuff will go under products. And that comes in really good handy when you're using, My Farm data, and when you're saving stuff in here, that you can still change the mix order and everything, because when it comes to, sometimes you get kind of pretty big mixtures. You still want to change the mix order. You still want to know what something costs, and that comes in handy for, this tool comes in handy for that. Last thing I'll show you is making a PDF. All you have to do is go to whatever price sheet you want and hit PDF, and you'll have a nice professional printed out version for you.